Hello guys, welcome to Street Tech, and today we are going to do the Antutu benchmark of these two mobile phones. So basically we have the Samsung A8 2018. This is the new model of Samsung A series, and we still have Galaxy A5 2017 model. And let's see if, if this Galaxy A5 will compete with the Galaxy A8. So the A8 technically is a little bit expensive than the A5 2017 model. It's because it has a full screen, screen and end-to-end, and also quite good ratio, and also it has face recognition. Unlike with A5, it has just the normal finger scanner. But yeah, we're gonna check if what are the difference between the two pretty much in terms of the speed. And the Samsung A5 anyway, it has Exynos 7880 octa-core, and this is running 1.9 gigahertz. However, the new A8 2018 model, it has a little bit updated, which is Exynos 7885 octa-core as well. However, there are 2.2 gigahertz working alongside with the 1.6 gigahertz. So I would say in terms of being quick, the A8 will be a lot quicker, but we will see how powerful or how quick the Galaxy A8 2018. To do that, of course, we have what we normally do is the Antutu benchmark. So that's what we're gonna do today. We will see how much score that the A8 will be ahead than the A5 2017 model. Okay, so making sure there is no open in the background, so that's it. And we can check the settings as well, just to make sure what is the operating system that comes with this mobile phone. However, the A8, by the way, comes with Nougat. A bit disappointed because it's pretty new, but it comes with Nougat, not Oreo. So if you're thinking of buying one of these A8, yeah, it comes with Nougat, so don't be disappointed. So now you know, okay? So 7.0 Android with A5 2017 and 7.1.1 with the A8. So a little bit updated, but not a lot. And what we're gonna do now, of course, is to close everything, and yeah. Okay, so we can start the test now in 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, so it's a little bit quicker, approximately quicker on the A8 2018, but not too much. We have the SMA520F, which is the A5 2017, and the SMA530F with the Samsung A8. And yeah, so if you have a different model than what I have, it can be a different model. So these are Exynos in the UK or Europe, but if you buy it somewhere else, it can be Snapdragon. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, so let's compare the graphics of the A5 over the A8. I'm not sure, really. Both of them is a little bit sticky. It's not really smooth, if you know what I mean. It's a little bit smoother on the A8. Yeah, it's a little bit smoother on the A8. Okay, so we're gonna keep doing this, and we will see after a while, after it finished, and see which one will have a higher score. Alright, I really like the A8. The screen is quite big, pretty cool, than the A5, the previous model. Okay, so yeah, see you in a bit. Okay, so that's going to be the total of our test today for the A5 2017 and the new A8. So obviously the A8 is a lot quicker compared to this A5 2017. So if you have any of this mobile phone, or if you are looking for a new phone, price difference, this is pretty much like £300, the A5 2017 at the moment, and the A8 2018 is around, it's around 449 or something like that. Yeah, so that's the price of it. However, that's the score of these two mobile phone. Obviously that the A8 will win. It's because it has, you know, higher gigabytes of RAM as well. It has 4 gig of RAM, but the A5 will only have 3 gig of RAM. Okay, so in terms of CPU, of course A8, GPU, graphics will be A8 as well. Users experience, of course, you have here A8 as well. Okay, so yeah, if you're looking for a new phone, of course A5 is quite a good phone as well, but if you can, you know, extend a little bit more money, you can go with A8, and this is a lot quicker. Yeah, and you have you know, face recognition as well. Okay, so that's gonna be the result of these two mobile phones. So if you have any requests that you want me to do, I can do that here. Yeah, just put that in the comment section below as well. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button. Okay, so thank you for watching, and goodbye, bye bye.